doing a very good job with these double days. I need to make it a point to get on here early in the morning. That was kind of the idea, is to really break this up, but now it's 2:30. I'm going to do this, and then, it'll be 2 hours before I'm back on. It's not really what I wanted. So, I don't know. I need to think a little bit more about how I'm going to do it. Because in another few weeks, I think this is week 3. In another few weeks, I'm going to start doing one longer session. I can't remember. I need to look at my spreadsheet. But anyway, just thinking about it overall. Okay, so we finished this problem. What's next? Shouldn't this be 0? If I number minus number equals... Oh, is this supposed to be 0.001 or something? I don't know. I know big decimal equals... Oh, I'm not minusing a number. I'm saying it equals so it would be negative 3.001. Is that? Yeah, okay. I thought I was subtracting there. Was it one? Is that not it? Okay. A and B. Maybe C. I'm not sure. Okay, so it's just A and B. I don't think you can... What? I don't think you can do D, is it? Oh, okay. I, okay. So everything needs to turn into big decimal first of all, right? Here, oh, not this one though. We need here. Everything's got to be big decimal. I guess let's try it without that stuff for a second. Is that right? What number do I know? 8? Okay. Yeah. Cool. Looks right to me. So I think this is still working. Easy enough. So now that I have big decimal, so I need to codify like our basic framework still works, right? But there's a few things I need to do. Having a very hard time focusing. Very tired right now. Okay. So I think the first thing to do here would be like, we have this source base, target base, that's good. And then we get this number to convert. We check for back, that's good. Then it's here. So what we probably should do is val whole fraction equals number to convert dot split on the dot, right? So then this would become whole. So that doesn't have to change, right? Everything there can stay exactly the same. But now in convert, we can So we have n source decimal. Okay, so we'd do n. So let's actually rename this now. And fraction. And we go to 2 decimal and we do whole. Okay, and then fraction string. So ideally I would do this alongside wherever we are, right? So let's do whole as char, and then let's do fraction. Right, and now what needs to happen? So in order to convert 2 decimal, let's go back to the theory because I can't remember from yesterday. Open link. Here. Close these two. Go to theory. Right, it's here, the fractional part. So this is what I'm doing now. And let's see, this is, I think, specifically for binary. This is times 2. So if this is for binary, then presumably we would, converting the integer part. So we're going from decimal to base, whatever. Base n, doesn't matter. And because of that, we need to do we multiply it by the fraction, and we take the whole as the number, right? And we go until, shouldn't this also say right now it should be this. So in the end we're gonna do a pair, but hold on a second. I need, so now do var fraction number equals, actually I think I can just do, oh no, I need this to be a big decimal now. No? Hold on. Yeah. Oh, I see. I think this is wrong. To get it from, to get the binary representation of, then we multiply by 2, right? So if it was octal, we'd multiply by 8, I assume. And we record that first. How do I get that? Maybe it's a value, and then we don't keep multiplying the whole thing, we multiply only the fractional part. Okay, so maybe I don't need this, maybe I just need fraction. Why can't I do this? Got it. Okay. I am really struggling right now. Come on, let's try and get to decimal. Let's just simplify this, right? Let's say I get 1.101, right? So at this point it should be 0. Oh no. This actually needs to change. It needs to be like 0 point fraction because I split it, right? Whoops. 0 point fraction. That's probably better. And now, while, let's see, var result equals fraction number. Do I need to do that? I don't think so. While fraction number does not equal 0. Feels a bit sketchy. When your program gets a fractional number, it should output its representation in the target base rounded to 5 characters, digits or letters. In the fractional part, if there is no fractional part in the initial number, it should be omitted in the resulting number too. Dude, I am struggling super hard right now. It's not obvious to me what to do. Let's see. Okay, so what we get here is 0.101. Let's say we are going from decimal to uh, no, we're going from wasn't there a problem that I did here? I'm not understanding. This only shows one way. It's so annoying. Why would they not? Why am I doing it like this? Okay, so now if I did 0, 1, 1, see, it's not really making much sense to me. If I'm multiplying by 2, how do I get to 375? I don't understand. Shit. Oh. Is it telling me right here? I'm not understanding. How do I get 2 decimal from binary? I had the same problem yesterday, dude. This lesson is like really lacking some information. Um, to uh, to divide, no, no. Is it 2 times? I can't remember how to do this. 2 times. No, 2 raised. I don't understand. Like, come on, man. How do I make the number negative? Am I insane? Just like, why is this lesson like so gnarly like this? Like, why don't they just tell me how to do it like every other step? You know, it's like every other time they helped me, and now it's it's just too much. We can't do that. Don't want this. 2 times like negative 2. Like, you see what I'm saying? Where is the negative button? Oh, it's fucking here. God damn it. Okay. 2 raised negative. So it looks like you can't do that. So 2 raised 3 should give me 8. I literally don't remember how to do this. Oh my god. Is it negative? No? -2 raised 8? That's not it. I literally don't know how to do the math in the calculator. This is brutal. 1 over reciprocal value of so it would be 2 raised 3. Oh shoot, I did the wrong thing there. Hold on. 2 raised 3 -8. That's not what I want. But look, I have this 1 over 8, so if I did 2 raised 3 equals 8, do that. 1 over, okay. Okay. So that got me this one. Now, where are these numbers coming from? Is it 0 Is it 0 times? Yeah. So it's base value, it's whatever the value is at that point, times base raised to the, I forgot what they're called, but it's like 10th, 100th, thousands, right? Okay, so it's represent, shit, how am I gonna do this? I don't want to forget this. It's current, it's whatever's there, current value times current base raised, what's it called? Ask ChatGPT real quick, and then we'll be done, whatever the timer's at. What are the 10th, hundredths, thousandths of a decimal? I just don't know the name. It's gonna hit me like a ton of bricks when I see it. No, come on. Is it just called the position? Do those names have each position represents a fraction powers? Maybe it's just the powers. I thought it had place value. Yes, the positions after the decimal point have specific names in the place value system. All right, we'll just call it place, raised place value. This is what I need to do, right? All right, it only took 30 minutes to get there, but hopefully that'll open this up for later. Right on. restart this. All right, it wasn't even that long ago. It was just a few hours. So I think we figured this part out, right? We need for each place, right? If we look at this, for each section, we need to perform this in order to get the decimal number. Okay. Oh, and do you see the first spot's 2, 2, 2. I got it. Okay. I'm still not quite sure how to make this work easily. So we know that it's max. Oh no, what's going on? This is broken. Let's just restart this real quick. Solve an IDE. Oh, okay. Oh, it's here. It's here. Okay. The target base rounded to 5 characters. So first off, let's do that, right? It should be. So I think maybe I do need this, right? So no. Come on, what are we doing here? Let's get this. Okay, so this is wrong, I think. I need something like this. So we need fraction number equals big decimal dot 0. Okay, so we'll just do that, and then I want to keep this note, and we want to do for cur in fraction as char. Okay, so now I have each current value. Current base, so current value cur times radix raised dot pow. What's going on? Okay. So we need big decimal cur in fraction as char, yeah. So then radix, okay, dot pow 2. So now this is where things get a little interesting. So let's do this instead. Indices, so this is index. And now what I can do is val cur equals fraction as char index. And then we can also use the index val pow more power equals index times radix, right? So yeah, I was gonna say that should work. What's rad? Oh, okay. Big decimal index. No. think it's that. So now this is going to return, this is getting crazy, right? Let's do this real quick. And then this goes down here, and now this will be pair, big decimal, comma, big decimal. Let's do that. So now this is pair, whole number, comma, fraction, number. What's going on here? Oh, it's wrong syntax. Okay. Getting closer, right? Bro, I was crashing at 3. Feel much better now. This isn't a thing. Why not? I passed it here. I forgot to put it here. Fraction string. Alright, let's clean this up real quick just so I can read the whole thing. Move that. Do this. Okay, so what we're gonna do for now is do in decimal. Because I want to see what do first. Is that not a big decimal? How do I get like the... Oh, it says... let's just satisfy requirements for now because I want to be able to run it and see. Let's actually do print line in decimal dot second. Stop, restart. I think I need to call toString actually. Stop, restart. All right. So if I enter a decimal number, I need to do 2. Well, here, this had an example, right? 10 to 7. But I'm not gonna get that. I need something to go to decimal. 21 to 10. Okay, so 21 to 10. And this will not work. Yeah, character is not a... Okay, but that's an easy fix, right? It's this. Super easy fix. Fraction as character, current, and then, okay, so lookup, and now val cur equals. It should be the same. It's here, 2 big decimal, lookup. What? Oh, and now I don't need this. What? Oh my god. This is spiraling. Oh my god. Dot. So annoying. Okay. Alright, try this again. 21 to 10. And 42. 38012. Doesn't look right, huh? Not even close. Hmm. So the nice part is the whole number part works. This is obviously very wrong. And I'm wondering if I just can't. No, this should go to decimal. So it should have worked. So let me think here. What does this take? It takes in the radix. So that's the input number, right? Where else is this used? Whole number base. Let me see here. All right, so obviously, first off, we need to do something about the length here. It should be max. It should be rounded to the fifth. I think what we could do. Is there like a limit? Actually could. So if there's only 5 characters, I could hard code each one. Be kind of interesting. Probably a bad idea. um. Because, I mean, these aren't even close, you know? Okay, let's maybe. And what was the lesson on? It was 1111.011. Okay. Good. So now let's figure out maybe what's going on here. Enter debugger and 2.10.1111.011. Those 3. The lookup 1, 2 should just be 1. Power is 2. Index 0. Got it. So we get 0. Oh, that's right, actually. I like that. So radix is 2. Fraction number 0. Cur. And then power 0. So basically at the end of this, it should be 0. Oh, shit. Just keep going to... What just happened, dude? I don't know what just happened. Restart this. 2, 10, 1111.011. So we got 1 there. Which... It should be 0, right? Yeah. I'm trying to recreate this. What did I do wrong? So it should be... It's current number restart it. 2, 10. So the current number should be 0, right? Lookup's 1. Fraction 011. Zero, 1, 1. Am I tripping out, dude? Something's weird here. Why? Oh, it's reversed here. Try one more time. Why did it turn into 1? What? 0, 1, 1. Motherfucker. Why does it go in here? God damn it. It's like why? Current is 0, radix is 2, power is 0. And it becomes 1. Is that not insane? Something is wrong, dude. What? How could it... It becomes 5. Dude, what is going on? What? I just... Oh man, dude, I like... not enjoying this at all, dude. It's just one too many. I like... all of these projects, like, they don't like scope themselves well. Okay, so 0 times 2. It's because I'm doing to the power. And it's not to the power. That's the... I'm reading this incorrectly. It's... in fact, it's not that at all. It's... how did I... you do 2... here I am, right back to where I was. Here, 1 divide by... it's 1 dot pow. So it's not this, it's radix. And then this is times. So it's... dude, I am so lost. It's so annoying, dude. Oh my god. Like, I cannot formulate this. It's so frustrating. It's like I'm not even dealing with syntax. I can't figure out how to write this. Wow, this is so brutal. This is 1 over radix to the power. Like, do you see what I'm talking about? What is this? Oh my god, it's like 1 divide by... no, it's big decimal 1 divide by radix pow power 2n. Like, this is wrong. Oh, I see what I tried to do here. I tried to do, so if it's in the first place, it would be 2. No, in 0. So this should be plus 1. Right? So first position should give me 2. Second position. So this... so in the first loop, it's 1 times the radix, which is 2 here. Gives me 2. The next one should be 2 times 2 is 4. The next one is... oh, it doesn't work. It's... I see. The power is radix.pow index plus 1. That's what it is. So that gives me the denominator, then 1 over denominator. So the current so it looks funny to me, but it's binary. So like this number is this number is this number is this. So I need the current, which is whatever value is in that spot. So dot times okay, so what am I doing? I'm taking whatever value is in that spot, multiplying it by 2 to the, I don't know what to call this, 2 to the power of 1 over 2. No, I don't even think that's an accurate way to state that. I'm doing this, right? That has to be what I'm doing now. Okay, let's try this again. Oh man, this is okay. Wow, so frustrated. Zero. So these are big decimals. I thought this would give me I really thought this would give me fraction number plus equals. Maybe I'm rerun this real quick. Let's just look at it. 2 and 10, 1111.011. Right, so I want to see. I don't get actual decimals here. I see. How do I tell? Precision. Rounding mode, that's right. Set scale. Okay, so we need to fraction number dot set scale. We said it's going to be 5, and then rounding mode. Floor, I don't know. try one more time. So, I mean, we did learn that. I thought it was... That's fine. I think all of these need... Wait. Look at the thing. Yeah, I need... What? I'm worried that all of these are gonna need to be... Alright, let's see. Here we go. Closer, but not yet. I think I need to do this, right? I need to take this out. Val denominator. Fractional equals this. But the let's try this. So this is weird, right? This should be 1 over 2. I should see 0.5 here, shouldn't I? Why is fractional anything besides 0.5 right now? What does big decimal 1 do for me? This is 1. Let's try again here. I can't believe that I'm seeing what I'm seeing right now. Like, this is brutal. Like, I'm literally doing the division and it's like not... Here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, this is a disaster, but we're going to leave it for now because it seems to be working. Get rid of this. And now I need a way to get away from decimal. And to get away from decimal, we multiply, right? So we pull this back in. We can remove this. So we'll keep this, and we'll go into from decimal. And this is now going to expect pieces. That's how I'm gonna do it. So pieces here, here, here. So now we have val n. Let's do whole n and fraction equals pieces. And now whole n will replace. What is going on? All right, so we're back to almost good. So now this is also going to return a pair. Actually, no. This should just. Let's do string so I can capture this. Okay, so this is a whole. The naming here is just so bad, but let's keep going for now. Okay, so what do I have? I have a decimal fraction now. And I need to get to this. And this, I have the equation here. It is the fractional part times 2, and then you take the whole number, and then you carry over so I have the fraction. So val remainder equals fraction, while remainder does not equal big decimal dot 0. We need 2. And then this is var fractional equals big decimal dot 0 dot set scale 5. So now the fractional no, this isn't how you do it. You need to push it into a list, right? Because you need no, you don't want to do that. There's a way to do this with remainders the same way there is at the top. Oh man, I'm almost out of time. I'm not gonna finish this. I'm trying to think. So if I if I have the fractional, so in this case, I have 0.375, right? That's the current remainder. And I need to say, oh, interesting. I can do two equations, right? So I can do var remainder equals fraction times base radix. If I do fraction times radix, I get 0.75, right? You mod it? No. And then can I do like remainder dot like, can I get the left side? I guess what I could do is val whole. Yeah. I bet this is so close, dude. Oh my goodness. I bet this is so close. Uh, or was this supposed to be remainder equals fraction times radix? I think we'll keep it how it was. Wait, because this can be over, this can be 1.5, right? I don't, I don't want that. Fuck. I think this is a string. And remainder equals that, and then fractional, yeah, fractional dot two. Shit, why does stuff keep changing on me? Oh my god, okay, okay. So the left side, and then fractional plus equals left dot toString. So that should just be the left side. Okay. Run this one time. Let's see. I don't have anything that's gonna. Let's do, I guess, 10 to 2, and we'll do 15 point. Was it 375? Is that what it was in the lesson? Yeah. Oh. Floor. Yeah. One more time. I think. Two. Left is 0. Fractional 0. Remainder. So now remainder is 0.75. Wait. Oh, this should be remainder. Okay, one more time. We know the first pass works. 1.5. Left side's 1. 0.75. Now we have 0.5. We get 1. 0. Oh no. All remainder does not equal. I think I need to do dot set scale 5 maybe. Try one more time. Oh! Okay. Big plays, team. Big plays. All right. We'll finish tomorrow, but I feel like that was a major hurdle. I can probably clean this up. My naming sucks, but it got me a correct result, so I think it's close, which is good. We'll just have to spend some time working on it to make it legible. Happy with that result though. Barely over the time limit. Okay. Nice.